Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked if c is equal to 3 root 5 and 5c is equal to the square root of 5z, what is the value of z? So writing this equation down right here, we have 5c is equal to the square root of 5z. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to get rid of the square root. So let's square both sides. In this side we have 5c squared, so 5 squared is 25, c squared is c squared. Then we have the square root of something squared, so we just take what's inside, and it just leaves us with 5z. So now, if we're looking to solve for z, we can divide by 5. These cancel, and we get z is equal to 25 divided by 5, which is 5c squared. To solve for z, we have to put in our value of c, which is 3 root 5. So we have 5 times 3 root 5 squared is equal to z. So this is 5 times 3 squared, which is 9, times the square root of 5 squared. The square root of something squared is just the thing itself, so times 5 is equal to z. So z is equal to 5 times 9 times 5, which is 225. So given these equations, what is the value of z? 225 is your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.